says you need weeks off or to travel far to experience adventure? Today, we are diving into the world of micro-adventures. Epic adventures right in your backyard, all in less than 24 hours. Micro-adventures are short, simple, and local adventures that fit easily into your daily life. They are about discovering the unnoticed beauty around us, challenging ourselves, and making the ordinary extraordinary. In a fast-paced world, it is easy to feel like we don't have time for adventure. Micro-adventures break that myth. They are a powerful antidote to stress, routine, and digital overload, offering a breath of fresh air to our lives. Planning a micro-adventure is simple. Pick a day or just a few hours. Choose a local spot you've never explored or an activity you've never tried. And go. The key, leave your expectations behind and embrace spontaneity. Need ideas? Here you are. How about a night under the stars in your nearest national park? A sunrise swim in the local lake? Or a challenge to find the highest point in our city? The possibilities are endless. E-clubbers, the world is brimming with adventures, waiting just outside your door. I challenge you to embark on your own micro-adventure this week. Share your stories and pictures with us. Let us inspire each other to live adventurously no matter how busy we are. Remember, adventure doesn't lie in the distance traveled, but in the spirit with which you explore. Until next time, keep adventuring, keep exploring, and keep living life to the fullest. See you in the next adventure. God bless you.